In this installment of the Lessons Lounge, we'll look at the process of sending email messages from Dragonfly. There are several forms in Dragonfly from which emails can be sent. Let's start with the standard message emails that are defined by the store. These email messages are defined using the Dragonfly document builder and assigned to specific modules. Each email document can be configured to include specific data from the form from which it's being sent. Let's look at some examples. On the Repairs form, select a specific email document from the drop-down menu, then click the Send Email button to send the email to the customer associated with the currently displayed repair. The system can also be configured to automatically send the repair complete email to the customer when the repair is marked as completed. The same process is used on the Rentals form. On the Receiving form, the system can be set up to automatically send a notification email to a customer when their special order item has been received. On the Classes form, you can select an email to send, then select one or more people from the registered students list to send the email to. On the Point of Sale form, you can configure the system to send an email receipt to the sale customer when the sale is completed, provided the customer has registered their email address with the store. This email can be set up to be sent automatically or on demand when requested by the customer. There may also be times when you need to send a one-off email to one or more recipients. The Send Email form was built for this purpose. To send a special message, begin by selecting the type of recipient to which the message will be sent. You can select from customer, employees, vendors, or vendor contacts. Your choice of recipient type is used to determine where the system will search for recipients. If the email recipient is someone not registered with the store, select the other option. Once the recipient type is set, use the Fast Search field to locate the desired recipients. The search will be performed only in the recipient group you have selected. If you have multiple recipient types to send the message to, select the recipients from the first group, then choose a new recipient type and repeat the process. Each person selected with a Fast Search will be added to the recipients list, showing their first name, full name, and email address. All three of these fields are editable. You can manually add rows for recipients that are not registered in the system. Next, enter the text to go on the subject line of the email. If you need to include an attachment with the email, use the search button to find the file to be attached. Currently, the system only allows a single attachment. The emails sent from this form use a configurable email template for all the emails. This allows you to add the store's logo, address, or any other information in every email that is sent. Here is the simple email template delivered with Dragonfly. You can see it has a standard salutation, with a placeholder for the recipient's name, and another placeholder for the body of the message being sent. These placeholders are replaced automatically when the emails are being prepared for delivery. Watch the lesson on defining documents for more information on setting up the email template. You can choose to use the recipient's first name or full name in the salutation by selecting the appropriate option. Finally, enter the message that will go into the body of the email. When the recipient list is set and the subject and body have been entered, click the Preview button to see the email as it will be sent. If necessary, make changes to the email settings, then click the Send button to send the email to each of the listed recipients. To create another message, click the Clear List button to clear the list of recipients. It should be noted that the emails sent from Dragonfly are subject to the limitations of your email provider. It is up to the user to stay within the limitations set by the provider regarding the number of emails that you can send, as well as size limitations on attachments.